Welcome back everybody. Today we will finally pick a winner for the giveaway we started about 2 weeks ago for the Logitech G502. So let's not waste any more time and see who won this mouse. And congratulations to XZayness, the guy living in UK. You won the mouse. And because I'm doing my voice in post-production, I have already checked if you subscribe to the channel, like the video, like the Instagram post and so on, so everything is fine. From here on, I will contact you, probably over Instagram I guess, in order to get your address and just to know where I should send the mouse. And I would be really happy if you could provide a picture of you receiving the mouse. You don't have to be in the picture. A picture of the carton in which the mouse came would be perfectly fine, just to put it on Instagram and show that you really received the mouse and everything is alright. So, and this was the first and hopefully not last giveaway on this channel. I'm pretty happy that 80 people or like 90 people participated in this, and I really hope that for the next giveaway even more will follow. For now, I guess this was it, and I hope to see you in the next one.